Have you ever wondered why some people don't just ride motorcycles, but also know how to repair, maintain, and understand every part of them? It turns out that this skill says a lot about their personality and psychology. Today, we're exploring the fascinating psychology of people who know how to work on motorcycles. People who know how to work on motorcycles often see problems differently from others. When something breaks down, they don't immediately panic or look for help. Instead, they start thinking about what caused the problem and how it can be fixed. Psychologists suggest that this behavior is linked to strong problem-solving skills. These individuals enjoy challenges and often see mechanical issues as puzzles waiting to be solved. Working on a motorcycle also creates a sense of accomplishment. When someone repairs an engine, adjusts a chain, or fixes a mechanical problem with their own hands, the brain releases dopamine, a chemical associated with satisfaction and achievement. This is one reason why many motorcycle enthusiasts develop a deep emotional connection with their bikes. The motorcycle becomes more than just transportation. It becomes something they have invested time, effort, and knowledge into. Another common trait among these individuals is patience. Diagnosing a mechanical issue can take time, and repairing it often requires careful attention to detail. People who enjoy this process tend to be more patient and persistent than average. Studies have shown that hands-on activities can improve focus and concentration. Motorcycle mechanics and enthusiasts often become highly observant, noticing small sounds, vibrations, or performance changes that others would completely miss. Psychologists refer to this as mastery motivation, the desire to learn, improve, and gain expertise in a specific area. People who work on motorcycles are often driven by this motivation, constantly learning new skills and expanding their knowledge. They also tend to be more self-reliant. Instead of depending on others for every small issue, they prefer understanding how things work and finding solutions themselves. Interestingly, working on motorcycles can also reduce stress. Many riders describe repairing or maintaining their bikes as relaxing. Focusing on tools, parts, and mechanical systems helps take their minds off daily worries and pressures. Research suggests that learning practical skills can boost confidence. Every successful repair reinforces the belief that challenges can be overcome through knowledge, effort, and persistence. Motorcycle enthusiasts are often curious by nature. They enjoy discovering how machines work and are constantly searching for ways to improve performance, efficiency, or reliability. For them, a motorcycle is not just a machine. It represents freedom, independence, learning, and personal growth. That's why people who know how to work on motorcycles are often more than just riders. They are problem solvers, lifelong learners, and individuals who enjoy understanding the world around them. So the next time you see someone repairing their own motorcycle, remember that you're not just looking at a mechanic. You might be looking at someone with strong problem-solving skills, patience, confidence, and a passion for learning. What do you think about this psychology? Let me know in the comments below.